Hey everybody, so I got a new toothbrush to show you today. This one is the AquaSonic DUO Series Pro. I recently just did the Duo series and I've tried just about every AquaSonic toothbrush so far. Alright, so inside we are going to get several of the brush heads, and each one will last months, so you got enough here for a couple years. So we got white and we got black. You do get a sample of their toothpaste to try. We do have our travel carriers, and then we have our main unit that you would use there at home. Now this here is one of the main differences between the regular Duo. The regular Duo does not have the UV Sanitizer with it. It's just a flat base charger. And with this, you'll be able to fit 3 brush heads in at the same time, and then when you close it, it will start the sanitation. So the travel cases are pretty much the same as the regular Duo series. So far the UV one's the only difference on that part. Now the toothbrushes themselves are a little bit different. The regular Duo had a thicker stem, and this one has a thinner metal one like the original ones do. Like I said, you get enough brush heads to last you for a couple of years, and you got 2 toothbrushes, so you both will be taken care of for a couple of years, and then you can always get new brush heads. You don't even have to replace these. So you got your different modes. You turn it on, you got your clean, your soft, your whiten, and your massage. You will have a battery indicator to let you know, and this will last for over a month on a charge. You can see how much it vibrates. It feels comfortable. As you can see, this one, they built it with grooves, give it a better hold, so that's pretty nice. All right, we put our brush heads in, face it forward, and we can put a third one, close it up, and the UV light will come on, and then it's going to sanitize. If you are looking for a good toothbrush, definitely consider the AquaSonic. No matter which model you end up choosing from, all of them across the board have been great for me. I use a different model full time. I am going to switch over to this one, but I use one, my daughters use one, and pretty much the whole house uses AquaSonic, and they've never failed us. Anyway, this is the AquaSonic Duo Series Pro.